We got a Norfolk Southern train here in Berryville, Virginia. I just barely pulled out my camera in time.
We have all three clues. We have all three clues. You know what that means? We're ready for our...
That's Blue's Clues and You in the background, if you're wondering. My sister is watching it.
Oh. Okay. Now that we are in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay, we need to figure out what Blue wants to do when Magenta comes over. And our clues are... me, Josh. Smile.
You.
And
You.
a phone.
You.
So what could Blue want to do when Magenta comes over with me, Josh, Smile, and a phone? Oh.
You.
Oh. Well, could she want me, Josh, to make the phone smile?
No.
No.
Alright guys, stay tuned for another train. Bye.
Want to do